Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. Yesterday was a wake-up call because look, I was stressed. I feel like I had so much stuff to do and this is my first time, so I didn't know how to manage it correctly. I mean, I got everything done. I like how everything's set out, but I feel like I could have done some things better. So that's what we're gonna use today for. We're gonna go to the coffee shop and plan a schedule and just like a setup of how I would like things to go. Obviously it's not gonna go like exactly that way, but at least I can come to a peace of mind to know that my brain isn't scattered and that I have some thoughts on paper and some ideas and stuff on paper, you know? So we're gonna do that today. I have therapy in about 15 minutes. So I'll just do like a time lapse of me doing that. I'm still here at my man's house. This is what I'm wearing. Sweats for my Shein haul. It'll be linked down below if you didn't watch it. But yeah, I'm just in a cozy vibe. I did my makeup this morning. I showered, got everything done. I have not ate or got coffee yet, so I need to do that. I'll probably just do that after the appointment. Yeah, it's like about to be 1 o'clock and I have not eaten yet, so I didn't wake up till 11, so haven't been up that long. But yeah, there's not many updates right now, so I will check in with you guys later. So I just had therapy, had a quick little lunch. Now I'm at Aldi and we are about to start a new hobby because I need to take my health a little serious. Start juicing. I'm going to buy like the little cloth thing. I'm not gonna buy a whole juicer. I just googled it. I was like, how can I juice without a juicer? Because I feel like everybody complains about how hard it is to clean a juicer and shit like that. So I'm like, bro, there has to be a way. And they're like, yes, there absolutely is. They just said buy water and strain it. That's it. Or buy water, add water and strain it. Yeah, so I'm doing that. I don't have the little cute glasses though. I'm gonna try to see if I can find something similar here, but and I don't really have a list. I'm probably okay, I kind of do, but honestly I'm just about to be grabbing shit, and Aldi is the cheapest place for produce, so I'll insert the picture of this, but this is what I got off of Pinterest. And then this one has like, I told you guys I have really bad allergies, so there's an allergy one that you take. I need like an immune system because I feel like I'm always sick. I'm not sick, just allergies, honestly, but my immune system is weak too. So let me see. Like in like the store-bought ones, I always buy a store-bought shot, but those are literally, those are $3 for one shot. $3, that's kind of crazy to me. I don't know, because it adds up. Let's just say if I want to take a shot a day, that's $21 for a shot for 1 week. Like, no. I need a quarter. Why don't I have a quarter? Excuse me, hold on. Somebody gave me a card. I was just struggling to find my quarter, and he was like, oh, somebody gave it to me, somebody gave it to you. That's so nice. Like, I was just worried, but I was gonna have, you know what? Look at God. Oh God. Alright, so first off, I'm getting cucumbers. I don't know how many I should get. I probably should just get like 3. here balancing on apple cider vinegar right now. I just got home. I have to do this work real quick. What am I supposed to do? Oh, a guest review. Okay, I have to send this over to the sales team, and then okay, that's done. Okay, so we're about to wash all this produce. I'm just gonna move this stuff over there.
You keep trying, but you fighting too long. Had you been looking for some? Oh Lord, thought with on me, I keep running back for so long. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro, baby I slow, turn your light slow. Oh baby, oh, who you gon' let me know? No, 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 no. You gon' make me feel love, the heat, babe. You coming by me like you don't even talk that easy. Bring it heat, babe. See how I sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep, ooh. Everyone on this earth trying to make things make sense. Save me. Let's just make it. Oh, let me take it. Just say it, lay it and shake it. Let's just make it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, don't ask what you do that. You come and feel up on me, don't gas. Ain't even sitting silent to me, it's true facts. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro.
Y'all, it fucking happened. I cut myself, like bad. Oh my god, it won't stop. I knew this was gonna happen. Like, I was cutting a lime. I was cutting a lime. Me calling Jordan after every minor inconvenience. Please answer, it's an emergency. But on the bright side, I've cut up a lot of fruit already and veggies. My blueberries, kind of wasted them because I washed them and then some of them just went down the drain. So
you cut your finger?
it won't stop bleeding. And I'm shaking. I'm not going to the hospital, but I think I did cut it pretty good.
How did you cut it?
Cutting this tiny ass lime. Why would I do that?
Did you use a big ass knife?